Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So guys, once again, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you click on the bell notification. So guys, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. So when you take a look at this your Euro JPY, you can see that on our Euro JPY we are in an uptrend move. Market is giving us a series of higher high and higher low. So if this is our high, uh, here is our higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. This is the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market push up begin to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market push up begin to form another new high, and here is our higher low. So right now that we've gotten this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high. So guys, a buy is what we should be looking out for next on Euro JPY. So once the market opens, right, be looking for your buy setup. So the buy setup should eventually push up to form a new high. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame right here. So this is it here. So we had the rejection here. We also had a rejection here. And now we are expecting market to reject from here, thereby giving us a bullish move that will eventually push up. So a buy is what we are expecting next on Euro JPY. Could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button right now and click on the bell notification.